Saints. Reggie Bush with the Detroit Lions was on the radio today talking about corporal punishment of children and the Adrian Peterson circumstance.
I got what we call whoopings, whoop with belts and stuff like that. For me, growing up, it was normal. I most definitely discipline my daughter. I have a 1-year-old daughter. I definitely will try to, obviously not leave bruises or anything like that on her, but
This is a test of the emergency alert system for Shasta and Trinity counties. In an actual emergency, tune to this station for important information.
We need more of these whoopings like Adrian Peterson.